Hi everyone and welcome to my Crochet World. Today I'm crocheting the case for my laptop. It will be the Waffle laptop case, and what I need. I use this reborn yarn, gray, or if you have twin t-shirt yarn, of course you can use it. It's not good for crochet basket, but it will be good for case, in my opinion. Want to try this reborn yarn? It's very interesting. If you want to know where I bought this yarn, please click to this video. And what I need, of course, hook 6 millimeters. Well, let's crochet. The color stone gray. Firstly, I crochet the front side of the case, and I'm starting with 21 chains. Chain 21. Move on to the first row, chain 2, 1, 2, starting in the first chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, in the first, I crochet 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet in each of the next 21 chains. 20, 21. Moving on to the next row, chain 2, turn, and I crochet the front post, double crochet. Or it's a single rib crochet. I crochet 1 for the front post double crochet in next stitch. One double crochet in next stitch. Again I repeat. 1 front post double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. Again 1 double crochet, 1 front post double crochet into stitches and 1 double crochet, and repeat this. The last double crochet, it's done. The second row is done. Move on to the first row, to chain, turn, 1 double crochet in each of the next 2 stitches. 1, 2, 1 front post double crochet in next stitch, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitch, 1, 2, 1 front post double crochet, 1 double crochet in next 2 stitches, 1, 2, 1 front post double crochet in next stitch, and repeat over until you get to the end, back side of my crocheting and front side. In this row I repeat second row, 1 front post double crochet in next 2 stitches, one double crochet in next stitch, and repeat 7 times. It's done. And how it looks. Repeat these 2 rows. If you need a written pattern, please, you can download here. But it's very simple pattern. We repeat these 2 rows and see you in the last row. Well, the front side of my case is done. Move on to the back side of my case. The back side of my case will be like a simple rectangle, 18 chain, chain. Move on to first row, chain 2, and starting in the third chain from the hook, I crochet 1 double crochet, and I crochet 1 double crochet in each of the next chains. The first row is done, and move on to the next row. It is similar to chain, turn, 1 double crochet, and 1 double crochet in each of the next 18. The last double crochet, 18th. So here in the last row, I finish my 2 sides. It's the front side, it's the back. The front side contains 16 rows, the back side contains 13 rows. And now I want to crochet on with a single crochet. You can sew on 2 parts, but I want to crochet 2 parts together. 1 chain, single crochet. And I crochet with single crochet. It looks very interesting. In the corner I crochet 3 single crochet in 1 stitch. And crochet my edge with single crochet row. And again in the corner I crochet 3 single crochet in 1 stitch and turn and crochet the last edge to join 2 sides of my case together with single crochet. Of course you can sew on these 2 sides, but in my opinion it's look more stylish and interesting. I finished. I join my 2 sides, the front and the back. Now I want to blend with single crochet too. What I do, I crochet like corner, but I don't join these 2 parts. Crochet 1 row of single crochet in each, 1 single crochet in each stitch. And I continue crochet with 1 single crochet in each stitch. And add the 3. Imitation of slip stitch. Look like slip stitch, and with my favorite hook with needle eye, fasten off and weave in ends. And my laptop case is done. I don't need a button, but if you want, you can skip this to double crochet and sew the button here. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon in new videos. Let's create together. Bye!